sense, nature is equivalent to the natural, physical, or material world. Nature refers to the phenomena of the physical world and life in general. It ranges in scale from the subatomic to the cosmic. The term nature may refer to living plants and animals, geological processes, weather, and physics, such as matter and energy. The term often refers to the natural environment or wilderness, wild animals, rocks, forests, beaches, and in general areas that have not been substantially altered by humans, or which persist despite human intervention. For example, manufactured objects and human interaction are generally not considered part of nature, unless qualified as, for example, human nature or the whole of nature. This more traditional concept of nature implies a distinction between natural and artificial elements of the earth, with the artificial as that which has been brought into being by a human consciousness or a human mind. Earth has evolved through geological and biological processes that have left traces of the original conditions. The outer surface is divided into several gradually migrating tectonic plates, which have changed relatively quickly several times. The interior remains active, with a thick layer of molten mantle and an iron-filled core that generates a magnetic field. The atmospheric conditions have been significantly altered from the original conditions by the presence of life forms, which creates an ecological balance that stabilizes the surface conditions. Despite the wide regional variations in climate by latitude and other geographic factors, the long-term average global climate is quite stable during interglacial periods, and variations of a degree or two of average global temperature have historically had major effects on the ecological balance and the actual geography of the Earth. Earth is estimated to have formed 4.54 billion years ago from a solar nebula, along with the Sun and other planets. The Moon formed roughly 20 million years later. Initially molten, the outer layer of the planet cooled, resulting in the solid crust. Outgassing and volcanic activity produced the primordial atmosphere. Condensing water vapor, most or all of which came from ice delivered by comets, produced the oceans and other water sources. The